Hi guys, today we have a special video about how to change your age on TikTok. So let's go to the watching. First and foremost, we need to say that we really don't have this specific option to change your current age on TikTok account settings, unfortunately. But we have a cool solution for you. Today we will show you how to contact customer support to correct all data you need and to do it in a right way. So let's pick on the TikTok application here. As you can see, we are on our profile page, and after we need to tap on our three lines icon, choosing the settings and privacy option. Next, let's pick on the report a problem feature. Don't forget to choose our option like account and profile. Later, edit in profile and other. Need more help? Amazing! Right now we have a cool option to write about our problem, to report a problem. So here we have a cool text, not cool but a text, about our problem and about our current age and settings we want to set up. So when we wrote our text in details, let's pick on the report red button, and after we need to wait a minute, to wait some time for the answer from the support, because this customer support has to change your settings, need to solve your problem to help you with this, but you need to wait it before. So yes, we hope this video was useful and needful. Please don't forget about likes and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channel. And we thanks to all of you guys for this watching. Bye bye.